December in Fernie didn't bring too much snow, but it transformed the real estate market. I'm Phil Gadd with First Tracks Real Estate Group, and today we're diving into the intriguing shifts in the Fernie December 2023 real estate market. Okay, so we are looking back at the Fernie real estate market for December 2023. We are a little bit behind schedule. Normally we get these out right at the turn of the month, Christmas and all that, and it's been snowing quite a lot. Yeah, I've been on the ski hill with everyone else this morning. Let's get into it. December, typically a quieter month here in Fernie. So we only had 5 new listings. That's down 5% on this time last year. But we only had one that sold in December 2023. So that's actually down 90% on this time last year. So the average list price was a little bit skewed because obviously we just had some bigger listings in December 2023. So that's 1.85 million. And the one that sold was 1.3, or that was probably the biggest sale we had in December 2023. That's why these are going to be skewed a bit. So list price is up 187% and the sale price is up 105%. So not a super accurate reflection of the whole year, but we will get to that towards the end of the video. Sale to list ratio. Sale to list ratio was down a whopping 72%. But again, this is going to be skewed by the one and only sale that we had in December. And the days on market has jumped dramatically, 405%. But again, very skewed because of the small amount of data that we have on sales. That'll probably get normalized next month or in February, January of 2024. So the month's supply of inventory, that's creeping up on this time last year. We're at 4.98. So as we always say, the MSI number, the closer, anywhere from 4 to 6 or higher, we're in a buyer's market. Below 3, we're in the seller's market. We're at just below 5. There is opportunity for buyers right now. And again, I'll get into my predictions for 2024 right at the end of this video. Active inventory, 56 in December 2023. That is up 10%. So this is what I really want to talk about in this video. So since 2013 all the way up to 2023, Fernie, the average selling price in Fernie has slowly, progressively over the years to 2013 to 2019, it progressively moved upward at a fairly pedestrian pace. But from 2019 to 2023, the average selling price in Fernie has dramatically increased. So this year in 2023, throughout the whole of the year, so all 12 months, the average selling price in Fernie for everything, condos, land, single family, townhouses, duplexes, triplexes, we are at 732,769. So if we look back over the last 2 years, house prices from 2021 to 2022 have increased 30%, but house prices from 2022 to 2023 have increased another 24%, have increased 14%. So if we look at that over the last 2 years, house prices have actually appreciated in Fernie 25%. So the Fernie market is very buoyant still. And right now, in my opinion, it is the best time to buy. People who can get into the market right now have a window of opportunity from now, I believe, until maybe the middle of the year. As soon as the federal government decides that it's going to decrease interest rates or even starts talking about decreasing interest rates, then I think the market is going to get flooded with buyers again, with a lot of pent up buying interest, and also sellers are going to feel more confident to list their properties. So that's my prediction. If you can buy right now, I highly recommend If you're pre-qualified or cash buyers, I highly recommend that you look for the opportunity right now in the market, because by the end of this year, my prediction is house prices will start creeping back upwards. If you would like to discuss the Fernie real estate market in greater detail, my number, as always, is 778-745-0347. I am Phil Gadd with the First Tracks Real Estate Group here in Fernie, and we would love to be able to talk to you more about the opportunity right now in this market.